Hello. I looked into my cupboard recently and I noticed, apart from all the junk, I noticed that on the ceiling there was a bit of mould. It was a bit damp, that ceiling. The drywall was damp. So I climbed up onto the roof to see if I can work out where the dampness was coming from, and I looked for broken tiles or holes in the flashing, but unfortunately I couldn't find anything. I couldn't find any reason for the dampness on that ceiling. Next, I climbed up into the roof space, that space below the tiles and above the ceiling, and just to see if I could work out where the dampness was coming from, but unfortunately I couldn't work that out. So under the tiles there's all this silver paper, this sarking, and if you get any drips anywhere on the roof, it can run along for ages before it finally drips out. So I thought that might have been the problem. So what I did was I got a bit of metal channel and put that above that where the dampness was in the ceiling of the cupboard, and that the end of that metal channel goes out onto the eaves. So any drips that come down, rather than ending up onto the drywall above in the ceiling above the cupboard, ends up in that channel and ends up down on the eaves, which are located on the outside of the house. So there's the eaves. So above those eaves is the end of that metal channel. So any drips then, rather than end up inside the house, end up there on the eaves outside the house. And that eave's made from asbestos-free fibre cement. So that's a good, I think, a good sort of temporary solution to the problem until I can actually work out where the water is getting inside the roof. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye for now.